Looking for a robust, all-in-one human resources hub that can handle everything from payroll to performance management? Paylocity might be the powerhouse solution your business needs.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Best Reviews YouTube channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Paylocity, a platform that has grown from specialized payroll software into one of the industry's leading human resources suites. It's designed to provide managers, HR, and employees with a unified control panel for every aspect of work and business management. Come along as we walk through how the platform works, its extensive module-based features, pricing structure, and what you should know before scheduling a demo. Paylocity is available as a web app and offers dedicated mobile apps for both iOS and Android. When first entering the platform, the most striking elements is the fully customizable dashboard. Users can move widgets around so the interface displays exactly what is needed for their specific role. While the interface is modern and well-structured, keep in mind that users unfamiliar with comprehensive HR software may need some time to get used to the sheer scale of the system. Access is role-based, ensuring that while administrators have the full scope of features, managers and employees see only what is relevant to them. The platform is module-based, allowing business owners to choose exactly which tools to include, ranging from payroll and workforce management to talent and benefit management. The core HR features act as the nervous system of the platform, transforming paper-heavy administrative management into a digital, streamlined process where everything is centralized. Administrators can fully edit worker profiles, including employment type and job titles, as well as manage 1099 contracts, I-9 work authorizations, and shift scheduling from one place. The payroll module is equally flexible, supporting on-cycle, off-cycle, and on-demand payments, as well as retroactive adjustments to address any previous discrepancies. It also features a time management system that lets employees clock in via the web or mobile app, and managers can manually adjust or approve manual time entries. One of the most impressive aspects is the expense management tool, which uses AI and optical character recognition to automatically process reimbursements from simple photos of receipts taken by employees. Beyond basic admin, the platform excels in performance and engagement through continuous 360-degree evaluations involving managers and staff. You can assign personal or team objectives and key results using custom templates that align individual progress with strategic goals. There's also a built-in learning management system that supports the creation of custom content, quizzes, and even includes a library of HIPAA and OSHA training templates. For company culture, a built-in social network called Community serves as a hub for announcements, private messaging, and celebrating milestones like birthdays or awards. The reporting tools are also highly advanced, featuring the Modern Workforce Index dashboard. This AI-powered tool measures organizational health by comparing your data with other companies to turn numbers into actionable insights. If you need to connect with other software, the marketplace offers pre-configured connectors for accounting, ERP, and recruiting tools such as QuickBooks, Zoho, and Jazz HR. So, in conclusion, you get a fully customizable solution with each module providing comprehensive features to answer your needs. Paylocity follows a code-based pricing structure, meaning definitive prices are not listed on the website. The subscription model is generally based on a per-employee per month fee that varies depending on business size and the specific model selected. Because the business only pays for what is needed, the best way to get an accurate cost estimate is to request a demo call through the company's website. It's important to mention that all payments for the service are handled via wire transfer. Since there isn't a standard free trial mentioned, the demo serves as the primary way to evaluate the software before committing. The support resources provided by Paylocity include an extensive learning center filled with a blog, guides, FAQs, podcasts, and webinars. Existing customers can reach support via email and phone, and our experience with customer support was pretty smooth. Non-customers, however, can only reach out via phone. The platform also provides various self-service tools and educational content to help troubleshoot issues for existing users. Paylocity offers a wealth of advantages for anyone looking for HR software, including a massive range of integrated modules, a highly advanced mobile app, and powerful AI-driven analytics that turn raw data into actionable insights. The unlimited integration options and the ability to handle complex payroll and benefits in one place make it a top-tier contender. Even so, the platform has a steep learning curve for new users, and the total cost can become high as more modules are added to the package. Additionally, the lack of transparent online pricing and the absence of a standard refund policy are factors to keep in mind. Considering all this, Paylocity is best for growing mid-sized businesses and larger enterprises that need a dependable, all-in-one system to manage a complex workforce. For a full breakdown of the features and to see how it compares to other HR tools, be sure to visit bestreviews.net to read the full written review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be notified of future videos. See you next time!